So this website gives you access to all AI image generation models for free in return for voting for the best model every time you use the platform. In this video, I'm going to use the LMarena website, which is completely free to test or battle AI models together using prompts based on a current trending niche, which is back to school. So simply go to lmarena.ai, but let's press on the new chat button. And here in our prompt box, let's press on the generate image and choose the battle mode from the top menu. And I'm going to paste my first prompt, which is asking to generate a design with text. It's a back to school design for a trending niche. And now we get two designs generated simultaneously without revealing the names of the two models. This is how the LMarena battle mode works. Two designs, and I'm going to leave the prompt, all the prompts that I'm using in the description of this video. So this is how the website works. It generates two simultaneous AI images without revealing the model, and after that, once you vote, you get to know the model names. So these are the two generated images based on the prompt that I have used. I think both images show clear text. I like the one on the left better, maybe because of the font that is used. It matches better the theme of the design. So I've chosen the left one, but both are nice, to be honest. And now we get to know the names of the AI models. The one on the left is the Imagine for Ultra, and the one on the right is the Lucid Origin, the Leonardo AI model. So this is how it works, and this is the first prompt. So let's move to the second prompt and continue within the battle mode of the website. So I will paste my second prompt. It's the same design, or the same design prompt, but asking for maybe a little bit different style, and then press on the generate button. And again, within a couple of seconds, less than 10 seconds, we get two different images, two different models. Again, we don't know which models are these ones. I like the one on the right better. I think it's a combination of the text, the colors, and the images are perfect. One on the left is also nice, but more of the colors are maybe a little bit extreme. So I have voted for the right one, and it turned to be the Imagine 3 model compared to the Dream 3 model. So this round, the Imagine 3 model wins. So let's move to the third prompt. I'm just tweaking my prompts to generate the best results for a print-on-demand t-shirt design. And again, within 10 seconds, we get to know, or we get to see the generated results. Again, two AI models that we don't know which ones. These two models look close in terms of style, but the one on the right looks perfect. It even generated letters in a cartoonish and childish style, the A and the E letter. So, and the left one is also nice with the graphics. I like both, to be honest. So I think I'm going to choose the right one because of the typography. And within a couple of seconds, we get to know the AI models used for this one. The one on the right is the Nano Banana model, the trending new model, and the one on the left is the Imagine 4 Ultra. So both are perfect, and you can also download the image that you like from the download button above each image. So let's continue with prompting. Again, I'm changing the prompt style, asking a vector style prompt, and again the battle continues. This time we get two also different models, two different images, and both images look very similar, very close style. Maybe the graphics of the left image looks more bold and more sharp, so I like the one on the left, but I also like the one on the right. Maybe the upper text needs to be stretched a little bit, but in overall both images, both results are great. So let's vote for the left is better, and once we vote, again we get to know the best the AI model names. So the one that we have chosen is the Imagine 4 again. So the Imagine 4 model keeps producing great results. So let's continue our battle, and the next prompt is placed and the battle continues. And within 10 seconds, almost 10 seconds, we'll get to see the images, and both results this time are also great. However, the one on the right looks perfect to me. The graphics are childish, funny, the colors are perfect. The one on the left added a mockup, so I'll choose the one on the right. I think it's a perfect result, just a change of the text based on my prompt, dino power, and the one on the left did not even match the text of my prompt. So it's the winner is the Imagine V3 quality. It's a great, it's the Edugram. The winner is the Edugram V3 quality model, and the one on the left is the Nano Banana. So it seems that the Edugram V3 is a perfect model for print on demand. I've seen great results out of it. So let's continue our battle. I'm going to place the same prompt, but this time I'm going to change the text and press continue. Again, two AI models with two different results. We get a very similar result on the right side, I mean with a mockup, and the one on the left is great, looks perfect in terms of text, colors, and even graphic use. So I'm going to choose the left one. The right one, I think it looks okay, but it added a mockup by itself. So the winner is the Recraft V3 model compared to the Nano Banana model, which is a trending new AI model. So the Recraft V3 model is also a great model. This is the one on the left. Now for my next prompt, it starts with a graphic illustration on a black background featuring a stylized cartoon dinosaur, and I'm going to add no mockup at the end just in case and press on continue or generate, and we get very close results based on my prompt. But I think the left one is better, so I'm going to choose the left one. The text and typography of the left design is clear and the font size is perfect. So the left is the Imagine 4. Again, it keeps generating great images, and the one is the Lucid Origin. So moving on with the next prompt, this is how my prompt looks like. And at the end I'm adding again no mockup just in case, and for this round we get two images generated within 8 seconds and both results are great. The one on the left looks unique. It does not match with the kindergarten style because the dinosaur is really scary, so maybe it does not fit the style of the age, but I like the style so much. I like the graphics, I like the result. So I'm going to choose the left one, and it turned to be the Gemini 2 Flash Preview image generation model compared to the Imagine 4. So you can again download any image that you like from the arrow above, and I'm going to show you in my next video or my next part how to retouch and reuse this image to be ready for print-on-demand websites. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for future tutorials.